Hey everyone, welcome back to Audio Synopses by Key Shakes. Today we're diving into the heart-wrenching and thought-provoking novel It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. If you're a fan of emotional, character-driven stories, this audiobook is for you. It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover is a gripping novel that delves deep into the complexities of love, resilience, and personal growth through the eyes of a young woman navigating the complexities of her past and present relationships. Set against the backdrop of contemporary Boston, the story follows the journey of Lily Bloom, a young woman who must confront her past while navigating the challenges of her present. Lily Bloom is a survivor of abuse, shaped by the traumatic experiences of her childhood. Despite the scars left by her past, she strives to remain true to herself as she grapples with conflicting emotions and relationships. The novel introduces us to a cast of compelling characters who play pivotal roles in Lily's life. Lily Bloom. Our resilient protagonist, Lily, is determined to break free from the cycle of abuse and forge her own path to happiness. She is torn between her feelings for two men from her past and present, Atlas Corrigan and Ryle Kincaid. Atlas Corrigan. Lily's first love and a beacon of stability in her tumultuous life, Atlas offers her solace and support, serving as a reminder of the love and innocence she once knew. Ryle Kincaid. A charming neurosurgeon with a dark side, Ryle becomes entangled in a passionate but volatile relationship with Lily. His struggles with commitment and temper issues threaten to unravel the fragile balance Lily has fought so hard to maintain. Elisa. Lily's loyal friend and Ryle's sister, who provides unwavering support and understanding as Lily navigates the complexities of her relationships. Jenny Bloom. Lily's mother, whose own experiences of abuse inspire Lily to break free from the cycle and strive for a better future. The narrative unfolds through a series of flashbacks and present-day encounters, offering readers a glimpse into Lily's past with Atlas and her present with Ryle. As Lily grapples with her feelings for both men, she is forced to confront the painful memories and traumas that have shaped her life. Throughout the novel, several scenes stand out as particularly memorable. The rooftop encounter. Lily's first meeting with Ryle on a Boston rooftop sets the stage for their complex relationship, as they share intimate confessions and naked truths. Lily is drawn to Ryle's magnetic charm, despite her reservations about his aversion to commitment. Atlas's return. The rekindling of Lily's relationship with Atlas sparks a whirlwind of emotions as they reminisce about their shared past and contemplate what could have been. Their reunion is both tender and bittersweet, underscoring the enduring bond between them despite the passage of time. The final confrontation. In a climactic showdown, Lily is forced to confront the harsh realities of her relationship with Ryle as his violent temper reaches a breaking point. As she grapples with the devastating consequences of his actions, Lily must summon all her strength and courage to break free from the toxic cycle once and for all. It Ends With Us is a poignant and powerful exploration of love, resilience, and the indomitable human spirit. Through its compelling characters and emotionally charged narrative, Colleen Hoover's novel offers a profound meditation on the complexities of the human heart and the enduring power of hope. This novel is a roller coaster of emotions, filled with unforgettable characters and powerful themes that resonate deeply. If you enjoyed this summary and want to see more book reviews and summaries, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more content. Don't forget to leave a comment below about your thoughts on this book or any other books you'd like us to cover. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you in the next video.